Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I have to present you one brand new scanner and strategy, whatever you can tell. It is a 99% accuracy. Yes, it is a 99% accuracy. I have all the proof. I will show you now. So this is a charting platform. Usually charting platform, it will give you alerts according to your filters, according to your conditions, according to your parameters. So I already set all the parameters according to my scanners, so I'm not revealing my parameters here, but I can show you that backtested results and live results, how it will work. So this is a backtested history. You can reliable, it is a very much reliable in the charting platform, and you can download it and you can check it. So this is my strategy from the last 3 weeks. It is giving the signals. So it is a intraday strategy. In the 5 minutes chart you have to enter. It is a very intraday strategy. It is not bearish strategy, it is a only bullish strategy. So I will tell you the money management system also, how to apply in this strategy, and how to make money more than 10% in a day. Yes, you are listening. How can we make more than 10% money in a day? Okay, so this is a 3 weeks data. So I will download it. This is a backtested history. Here it is a download button is there. So here you can see the backtested TM Bull 5 minutes technical analysis screener. So I will download it first. See, these are the results in the last 3 weeks we got. So I will show you today's, and you can check any date also. So that is not a problem. 99% it is work, 10% profit. Okay, and I will tell you how to make 10% profit later. So today we got five Venkies and 915 work pharma. It will give you live alerts. It will give you live alerts through your mobile, SMS, through your email, and through your web notification. Everything it will give you alerts in the live. Okay, if it is showing 915, it will give you 915, but we have to enter 920 after 5 minutes, after high cross. Okay, so we will check Venki's 915. Okay, so our aim is to capture 10% from the trade. Okay, we will see, and I will tell you the exit conditions also. We have exit conditions also, and I will tell you exit conditions. So this is the Venki chart, Venki's stock chart. Even I don't know which stock it is. I don't know fundamentals of this stock. I don't know nothing about this stock. Simply it's a technical analysis. So we have to enter 915 because it is giving the alert at 915 or around 916, but we have to enter next candle, 920 candle. Okay, so 920 candle, what is the opening, or you can enter 915 high cross. Okay, so around open 1591. Okay, so whenever RSI reaches 70, you have to exit. Whenever RSI reaches 70 in the 5 minutes, you have to exit. That is a simple rule. So here around we entered, first candle high is 1598 around. You can take 1600. So here RSI it is reaches 70 exactly, so we have to exit. So what is the closing price? 1636. So around 36 point we got. Okay, so 36 point we got. So we will see if you have a 10,000 rupees, okay, you can buy in the intraday, you can buy 10x. Zerodha will give you 10x leverage. Okay, so around, if you have 10 lakhs rupees, it will give you 10x. Okay, you have 10x. So what is the price? So what is the stock price? 1600. Okay, so see, if you have 10,000 rupees, you can buy 10x. Okay, if you have 10,000 rupees, you can buy 1 lakh rupees. In intraday, it will give you a margin divided by 1600. So around 62 stocks you can buy, and we got 36 point. See, by using 10,000 rupees, we made 2,250. So more than 20% profit, right? So if you invest 50,000 rupees, it is more than 10,000 rupees profit by using 50,000 rupees. Okay, we will download again and we'll see. So we'll see work pharma, we'll see IOC. Okay, usually I will take before 12 o'clock. The reason is simple, before 12 o'clock it will give you a good move. So 9:15 work pharma and 10:05 IOC. Okay, so here is, so work pharma is not is there. Yeah, this is work pharma and IOC. Yeah, so we'll see work pharma 9:15 today. See, 9:15, 522 we have to enter high, 522. See, and after that, see, it went 541, 554. So here high is 522. Here is the high. Around 30 points you got, or 28 points you got. Okay, so I will show you this calculation. So if you have a 1 lakh rupees, 522, so around 191 shares you can bought, and into 30 points, so 50,000 rupees profit. By using 10,000 rupees capital, you can make 5,700 rupees. See, 10,000 rupees means Zerodha it will give you a 10x leverage in intraday, or 9x or 8x it will give you in intraday. Okay, so whenever RSI reaches 70 or 80, we have to exit. Okay, and let's check IOC. IOC time is 10:05. Here is the 10:05, high is 92. So, and after that it is going up. Okay, so and after that it's fell down. Okay, I will take it as a SL. Okay, so that's why I told you it is a 99% accuracy. I will download it again. Nine 1020 Equitas. Okay, 1020 Equitas. We will check 1020 Equitas and 1125 Wipro. Okay, 1020 Equitas. Equitas 1020. See here, 1020. Okay, so around 82. So RSI reaches 80, 84. From 82 it went 84. We will calculate how much. So if you have a 10,000 rupees profit, you can buy 10x leverage. So 82, so you can bought 1,219 and we got 2. So by using 2 points profit, by using 10,000 rupees we made 25% returns. Okay, so on we will see Wipro. So Wipro is 1120. See, 1120 high crosses and RSI reaches 70 or 80. So here 488, we high is 488 we entered, and so close is, I am not taking high price, and close is 493. 488 enter, 493. So around we got 5 points. So we will check 488. If you have 10,000 rupees profit, you can buy 10x. 488. 204 we can buy. So we got 5 points. 1024. By using 10,000 rupees, we made 1,000 rupees. So what I can do to show the transparency, accuracy level, I will show you. Okay, so this is the one serial number 2 to 27. You can take this screenshot and cross check in the chart with the timings. Okay, and you can take the screenshot from 28 to 9 or 55 and you can cross check with the time date, and you can take the screenshot from point number 56 to 82 and you can take the screenshot and you can back test it. You can take this also and you can back test it. You can take this and also you can back test it. If anybody wants to learn, I have a swing trading also, I have a intraday bullish also and intraday bearish also and swing bearish also. I have a long term charts also in a technical format. So everything I have. So anybody wants to learn, if you want to learn, you can ping me WhatsApp. I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. Thank you.